plug wire. Cut it off. I'm not gonna put as much in it this time because it just splashed out last time anyway.
But that hot water on the cold metal doesn't make it crack.
Where's your crank?
We don't know. Maybe.
Smile for you, Matt.
No leaks. Take over the camera.
Yeah.
There's smoke there somewhere?
Take over the camera. You're not smiling. You're not smiling. So? Is there sound on this? Yeah. This is Joe Grant Sr.'s Fairbanks Moore's engine that his son Joe and John Eaton have rebuilt. We're ready for a test run to see for leaks. Good luck, Grampy.
You explain the head situation.
That should be your job.
John can explain that while we put gas in it.
What's that?
What? Explain out that we've had to put a new head in this because the first one blew to pieces.
I think it's really a shame that we didn't have pictures of the other head when I was filling it up with water, and the water all came out the muffler and poured all into my pocket of my coveralls. Anyway, this is a brand new factory fresh head. And so we're going to try it again with some water in the hopper, some gas in the carburetor, and it might even start. We hope.
And the tapping you hear is the neighbor trying to put a new step down.
Right. Right. get any more on that throttle?
Oh, yeah.
And this time the head did not leak.
Rich. 1/16? It's a Fairbanks.